Here I have Motorola Moto E5 Plus, and let me show you how to enter the hardware test mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, open the phone's dialer, and let's use the secret code *pound *pound 2486 #*#. As you can see, CQA test mode just pops up, so here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose here, for example, CQA menu mode, and here you can perform the display test, for example, so you can test the display patterns, for example, the bright color bar. You can also test here other stuff, such as the audio, for example. Here you can use the loudspeaker, and also other stuff such as the mic, loopback. Here you can test the camera, FM, key, sensor, SIM card, vibrator, for example, right here, and a lot of more. So that's it. If you would like to go back, let's use the back key. Here you can also perform some automatic tests, such as the sequence mode. You can also use model assemble mode or MMI test. That's it, let's go back. If you would like to quit this mode and everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.